This is my basic setup with the solar panels. 18 panels, 550 watts each. I show you later the equipment I'm using. Another detail to be off the grid is Starlink. We got internet from Starlink. Works really well. Another view of the panels with our amazing view. And there's the ocean. So this is my basic setup. This is 7 kilowatt inverter. I have my 10 kilowatt battery, lithium. Another one 10 kilowatt battery, lithium, so basically 20 kilowatts. Another interesting fact, we collect rainwater from our flat roof that goes directly into the cistern. This is the pipe that goes into our cistern. Here's a cistern full with water. It has been raining a lot. And there's an overflow sensor that warns me when it's overflowing. We even made a collection system for the water from the air conditioning. Here's a tube going into a gallon. And we use it to flush the toilets. So I can decide if the air conditioning water goes outside or into the bucket. Usually we let it stay in this position. It overflows, we don't mind. Here is the other air conditioning unit. There we collect water too. And we have a third air conditioning unit that still has to be connected. It's not even 9 o'clock in the morning. We're already getting 4.1 kilowatts of energy. And the consumption is low, 350 watts. And the batteries are up to 68%. They went down to 54 or something this night. So by 9 o'clock we're 2/3 full.